Real confidence is not about knowing everything. It's about knowing when to stop, pause, and ask questions. Because you obviously will not know everything in the world. But if you're a real leader, if you're really confident, you would know when to stop and ask questions. First of all, asking questions is an amazing thing. But if you do feel embarrassed asking questions, there are multiple ways where you don't look dumb while asking the questions. First one, hey, I am not following this. Can you please repeat this part again? Simple, straightforward, not embarrassing. Another way is that, hey, before we move on to the next part, I want to make sure that I understand this fully. So, is this what you mean, or can you explain this part again? This way, you are owning up the fact that you are interested in what is happening and you would like to understand it. You are engaging with the speaker and the material, and that is an amazing thing to do. Another way is ask direct questions. अगर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा उसको directly पूछ लो कि hey, can you tell me why this is happening, or can you tell me the reason behind this? And trust me, the speaker would love to answer. अगर Q&A end में है तो end में पूछना वैसे ये सब. But ask questions. Never shy away from asking questions. पूछोगे नहीं तो पता कैसे पड़ेगा?